Are you looking to create a successful freelance career on Upwork? You've come to the right place. First, you need to create a profile that stands out. Make sure you have a professional photo and a well-written profile summary. Highlight your skills and experience along with your accomplishments. Next, apply to jobs that match your skills and experience. Be strategic with your proposals and show the client that you understand their needs. Customize your proposal and keep it concise and relevant. Once you land a job, communicate clearly with your client. Establish expectations and deliverables and be open to feedback. Ask questions if needed and be proactive in offering solutions. As you complete jobs, make sure to request feedback from your clients. This will help you improve and gain credibility. Finally, don't forget to market yourself outside of Upwork. Use social media to showcase your work and skills. Attend events and network with other freelancers. By following these tips, you can build a thriving freelance career on Upwork. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.